Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned. What is real and fabricated? What is wrong? What is my problem? What can I get out of this world that I created?
Hi guys, and welcome back to Zanele Daily. Yes, we are shooting two videos in one. I'm not sure which one is gonna come out first, the daily vlog or this video. We are running a kilometer within your yard, within your garden, your house area, your front yard, your backyard, whichever space you have. And I'm going to use this watch to track the distance that I'm gonna be running, and I'll show you guys clips on from what end to what end am I gonna be running, and just snippets of me actually doing the run and the walk.
And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine, and we back. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the rain and rain. I turn nothing into something. No more dealing with their assumptions. Cause I do what I gotta do and I know, can't nobody do it like me. All they do is judge me for who I might be. Maybe if they took some time to pick my mind, they see that I'm cooler than.
Okay guys, whew. I am done. I'm cooling down now, hence the watch keeps saying I must slow down because it's time to just cool it down. I've ran 27 minutes already, so I'm cooling down till it reaches 30 minutes because that's how long the actual workout is.
You've reached your target.
See, that's my target. Well, let me pause it so that I can show you guys